Hello guys, this video is useful for the Windows administrator given a task for creating a user account, especially an email address, or else you have been given a bulk email creation and Active Directory users creations. So obviously at the time of creating an Active Directory, you would be having a particular script and the CSV files where users details will be entered. So at the time of creating a multiple users, you have to type email address for each and every users. So it would be better if you use some Excel tips to automate the email address. Let me show you. Here we have a first name, last name and email address column. I will type the first name. Is this. So in many cases you would have to enter email address for all of this, or else you have to use concatenate kind of other options. One more option you can perform is flash fill. So what you have to do is move your cursor over here. There would be a plus symbol. You have to drag it down till the username, so it will show a complete email address. But what you have to do now is select this icon and go to flash fill. What it will do is it will see the information over here and replicate to the email address. So what issue over here is for the space available in the first name. There may be a chances in the last name as well. So it is a condition. There should not be a space, like in the case of Shah Rukh Khan. The output will be shah_rukh.khan at tech2and4u.com, which is an invalid email address for the Active Directory. Then you may have to do it manually if it is in lesser number, but if there are many, then you have to select the column containing space. Let me show you. Then you have to do a Ctrl+H, which will open or replace. What you have to do is in find what you have to press space, then replace with, you keep it blank, it will replace. So it has been replaced now. Once it is done, then you can again drag and select flash fill. Now there is no space. So I will show you one more case where first name and last name is not the case. You have been provided with a full name. Again the same case applies. So again I will type the first email address over here. Move the mouse cursor over here and drag it till the end. Then you have to select flash fill. Again the same case for the space, which you may have to follow by find and replace. So the next step is remove space. You would be provided with a report or an Excel sheet having a user name where there may be a space included by mistakenly or from the report which they got or existed. So in that case, this tip would be useful for those who gets those kind of report. As you can see, there is a full name over here with multiple space. Here after the last name you can see the space. Here before the first name you can see the space. Here again there is a space after the name. So to resolve this, you have to run the function trim, and you have to select the cell, press enter. Same, you have to move the cursor over here and drag it. So the format will get applied for all. What you have to do is copy this and select a paste special and values. Otherwise what it will do is, if you select this, then the function only will be getting displayed. So better you copy this and paste the same with just values in it. Now you can see the space is not available before the first name. Same for this one also, there is no space available after the last name. That's it from me. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.